Okay, so what our lesson today is about is using the words good and well. Did you ever say to somebody, and even adults are guilty of this, did you ever say, I don't feel good? I mean, you probably have said that. I don't feel good. Well, if you have, you've used incorrect grammar. Okay. You actually should have said, I don't feel well. So these are common words that get mistaken, and it's an adjective and an adverb that is a common mistake. So here are my good and well, and then we're going to practice with these. So good is an adjective. Okay. And when you want to know if you should use first of all, if it's an adjective, it modifies a noun or a pronoun. And also, if you can answer the question, what kind? Okay. When you use the word good, like he did good on his paper, like what kind of report did he do? He did good. Then it's a adjective. And anytime you're talking about taste, that ice cream tastes good, you would never say that ice cream tastes well. That would sound funny. It would always be that ice cream tastes good. And then well. These often get interchanged, but well is an adverb. It's only describing verbs and adverbs. And then that's going to be my question of how. How are you feeling today? I am feeling well. You're not going to say I'm feeling good, and that has to do with feeling. You're not going to say, how does your soup taste? It's tasting well. That doesn't even sound right, does it? Doesn't even sound right. All right, so go to page 195, and we're going to look at some examples on 195 of good and well used correctly, and then you're going to do some examples for me of good and well. So go to page 195. This won't take long. It's just going to take a few minutes and then we'll be done. It's a really short lesson. That's why I had you guys read your journals for me. Okay, so if you look at Think A, all of those sentences are correct in Think A. So we're just seeing how they're using them. We're going to just fly through them real fast on page 195. All right, on 195. So did you do well on the test? How did you do? I'm just practicing with the words. How did you do? You did well. So that would be fine. You wouldn't say good, you'd say well. Did you make a good grade? What kind of grade did you make? You made a good grade. So that makes sense. Ryan feels well today. You would not say good, you would say well. Anytime it has to do with feeling, you would always use well. How are you feeling? You're feeling well. This is a good painting. What kind of painting is it? It's a good painting. Mia did a good job on her book report cover. What kind of job did she do? She did a good job. The biography of Abraham Lincoln is good. Christopher writes well. Mr. Sewell's writing on the chalkboard is very good. It is good to give thanks unto the Lord. The circus elephant performed well for the audience. All right, so now we're going to practice putting good and well into these sentences now. So look at sentence 1. We're just deciding good or well. Sentence 1. That was a good or well tennis match. What do you think? Good or well? Ian?
Good.
What'd you say?
Good.
Good, yes. Because what kind of tennis match was it? It was a good tennis match. So it would be good. It was a good tennis match. Number 2, if you eat too much candy, Sabrina, you will not feel what? Which ones have to do with feeling? Gianna?
Well.
Well, very good. How will you feel if you will eat too much candy, Sabrina? You will not feel well. Well. Because we feed our pansies plant food, they grow. How do they grow? How do they grow? Jessica?
Good.
Well, it's saying how do they grow? So which word was
Well.
how? Well, very good. How do they grow? They grow well. How? Remember our words. How do they grow? They grow well. Number 4, the pecan pie tasted. Which word do we use for taste? Good or well? Chloe?
Good.
Good. Something can taste good, but it cannot taste well. Okay. Number 5. Zachary pitched blank in the last 2 innings. Jacob Stone. Zachary pitched.
Zachary pitched good.
What?
Zachary pitched good.
Well, how did he pitch?
Well.
Well. Yes. Well. He pitched well. Number 6. After a long illness, Emily is finally. Quinn?
Good.
It's how she feels.
Oh.
Which word do we use for
Well.
feeling?
Well.
Well, yes, well. All right, Clay, number 7. Did he do the job?
Well.
Well, very good. How did he do it? He did it well. Number 8. The song says, God is blank to me. God is blank to me. Colin?
Good.
God is good. Yes, God is good to me. Number 9, practicing for the jump rope contest kept the class in blank condition. Addison?
Good.
Good, very good. Good condition. Very good. Good condition. Number 10, the 4th graders sang blank for their class program. How did they sing? Jocelyn?
Well.
Well, very good. Wow. That's how they sang. Wow. All right. Tomorrow we're going to move on to page 196 and we're going to still be practicing with our good and well. So don't forget good, adjective, well, adverb. Okay. So, well, Cherith, you're scaring me.